Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all well. In this video we are going to show you how to replace a power board on an Xbox One X, and this might help you out if you have got a power button which does not click. Right, so first things first, what we need to do is take this top case off. Now the way to do that is we need to spin it round, and there are two screws on the back of the case, one either side. Normally one of them's covered with a warranty label, but this console's already been opened, so the warranty label's removed. You can just pop the warranty label out of the way, and what you need to do is unscrew each screw with a Torx 8 or Torx 9, depending on when your Xbox was made, screwdriver bit. So they just simply pop off like so. Put those to one side, and then put the Xbox round again on the right side, and then just literally pull the case forward like so, give it a bit of a wiggle, and then I start off on this side and I gently just lift the top case up, give it a wiggle, and then give the left hand side a wiggle, and then off it will pop. Now the power board in question is obviously here at the front, and it's this piece all the way along here. Now these can be purchased from Amazon or eBay, relatively quite cheap, probably around $15 or about £12. There's three screws which are holding it on. Now the actual power button piece is a tiny little micro switch just here. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera, but this one's obviously broken. And that's the reason why when you push the button on the outside, it doesn't actually do anything, because the actual micro switch is snapped off. Now, things to be aware of, there's a little ribbon cable you can see just here, which then connects back onto the motherboard. So you need to be really careful of that ribbon cable. So what we need to do is pop off the ribbon cable and then undo these three screws, and then it will pop off. Now, to undo the actual ribbon cable, what you can see here is the connector. Let's just try and zoom in a little bit so you can see that a little bit better. So the actual connector, it's in two parts, right? You've got a top part and a bottom part. Top part's white. Now what you need to do is very gently just get a pair of tweezers and then just pop the white part towards you. And it's like a little flap and it will lift up. You can use your finger now, and just like so, it pops up, right? And what that does, it releases the actual ribbon cable. Now what you can do, once you've got that, grab hold of the ribbon cable and then just pop it out like so. Okay, now that's out of the way all safely. So let's just zoom back out again. And then what we need to do is undo the three gold screws. And then what you can do is just give the power board a bit of a wiggle, because our ribbon cable is disconnected, and then it will pop off. Now behind, and I'll show you in a second, behind the actual power board there's a connector which connects it to the motherboard as well. So now that just pops off like so, and here you can see the connector which connects through that hole to the motherboard. So that's free now, and then you can obviously just put that to one side, get your replacement power board. As you can see, this one has got a nice working micro switch on it. And then, you know, installation is basically the reversal. What I like to do though, first of all, is just make sure my little white tab is lifted up like so on the connector for the ribbon cable. And then, just because it's a little bit easier, I grab the ribbon cable now and then just pop it into place like so, and then put it through where the black part of the connector is. If you can't fit your fingers there, you can always use a pair of tweezers and just grab the ribbon cable. It slots into place, and then with that in place now, just pop down the white piece of the connector like so, and then obviously connect where the connector at the back is, put it through the hole, give it a bit of a wiggle and push it down, and then all that's left to do is pop back in our three gold screws. Like so. So we have a quick look, visual inspection of the ribbon cable. Yep, that's connected nicely. All the screws are in. Great. Put the put the Xbox back down again. Now the easiest way I found to put on the top case of the Xbox X is start on the left-hand side. Make sure the little grooves are aligned on the left-hand side over here, and then literally just drop down the right-hand side. You might have to give it a bit of a pull out so it pops in over the side, and then it will drop into place, and then just give everything a bit of a wiggle and slide it back just like so, pushing it back that way, and then you can turn it up on its front end. Take your 2 black screws again, tighten them up. If you've still got your warranty label, it's always worth popping the warranty label back on over the screw again, like so, and there you have it. So once that's done, case is back on and the power button now clicks again. So fixed. So just a real quick video to show you how to replace the power board on the Xbox One X. Hope that video was useful to you. If it was, please consider subscribing to the channel. We've got loads more videos just like this, and please consider giving us a thumbs up. That's very much helpful. We'll be posting more and more videos over the next couple of weeks, including a teardown of the Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S, which is coming in a few weeks' time, as soon as we receive our stock of the Xboxes, the new Xboxes, which is coming in November. So as soon as we get that, we're going to be posting that teardown video. And as I say, thanks very much for watching. Really appreciate your view. Take care of yourselves. See you again soon. Bye bye for now.